Hey, Katrina here from Scrappy Horses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so happy you're here. I had a question recently about how to find cartridges that you have linked. And so I wanted to address that. I'm not sure I'm understanding the question exactly, so I may not be addressing the question correctly. If I am not, or you have another question, please come back and let me know, and I'll look into this further. But in this video, we're going to address how do I find cartridges that I have linked. All right, so here I am. I've brought my Cricut screen up. I'm going to go over to New Project. I'm going to come into Images. It's over here on the left side, and I'm going to left click. I'm going to come down to Advanced Search. It's here at the bottom, left click. I'm coming up here to All Images, and I'm going to click this little caret right here. I'm coming to Image Sets. I'm going to left click. Purchased. These are the ones that you have purchased. So you can left click, and that should bring up all of the cartridges that you have purchased and linked. Now, if you pay for the monthly subscription, this will not include what you pay for monthly. This will only include what you purchased and linked, okay? And or linked, I suppose I should say. Now, there are several free. So if you're wondering, what can I get to in Cricut that is free? You can click that and you'll find that there are several free images or cartridges. Okay? You can also come down and choose by creators or brands. All right, down here. If I come up here, I can also choose, instead of image sets, I can choose featured, recently added, popular. You can go down and choose by subject or graphics or themes. Okay. And again, all of that was under the images. All right. I hope that addresses the question of how you find what you have linked. I'm not sure that it really does address the question I had recently, because the question was, she has 33 that are showing and she's wondering where to find the other ones. So if you know that you have more linked and they're not showing up under your image sets that you have purchased, I would contact Cricut and ask them, because I'm not sure that I don't know another way to find them. So I think I would address that with Cricut and ask about that. I think that would be my suggestion. All right, any other questions or comments, please let me know and I will get back to you. Have a wonderful week, and I will catch up with you in the next video. Bye.